my way.
They're just like...
Does something like that impede your ability to play the guitar? Django Reinhardt, I'm glad you brought him up. That's what I was going to say. The guy's got 3 fingers.
2.5.
Is Django Reinhardt a hero of yours?
Are you kidding me?
Juices are endless. This ain't your mama's little brown bottle. Harris hydrogen peroxide is available by the gallon at the Home Depot and most hardware stores.
I've got video locked.